Find the values of non-negative real numbers h1, h2, h3, k1, k2, k3 such that the algebraic sum of the perpendiculars drawn from the points 2, k1, 3, k2, 7, k3, h1, 4, h2, 5, h3, -3 on a variable line passing through the point 2, 1 is 0. So there is a variable line. Let us consider, let a variable line be ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and the perpendiculars from the points given whose sum is 0. We know that, let me write here, if any point from any point x1, y1, the perpendicular distance from this point to the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root over a square plus b square. So using this formula, so let us write here the sum of the perpendicular distances from the point given points will be 2 times of a plus 3 times of 2 times of a plus k1 times of b, 2 times of a plus k1 times of b plus c divided by root over a square plus b square, and again plus the next one 3 times of a plus k2 times of b plus c divided by root over a square plus b square, plus and so on till the last number we can write here h3 times of a minus 3 times of b plus c upon root over a square plus b square. The sum will be equal to 0. Okay, and this can also be written 1 upon root over a square plus b square taking common. So 2 times of a plus 3 times of a plus h3 and so on to h3 times of a. So I can take a common and I can write 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus h1 plus h2 plus h3 of a plus, if I take b common, k1 plus k2 plus k3, k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus 4 plus 5 minus 3 times b plus c plus c and so on 6 times, so 6c, which is equal to 0. So we can write this as 2 plus 3 5 plus 7 12 h1 plus h2 plus h3 plus 12 times of a plus k1 plus k2 plus k3 9 minus 3 plus 6 times of b plus 6c is equal to 0. So now when comparing with the given line, variable line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, so just divide with the 6 to make the coefficient of c is 1. So and hence we can compare with the point, or since this line variable passes through a fixed point, I think this is 2 comma 1, the fixed point is 2 comma 1. So let me write that. So which implies that the x is nothing but your h1 plus h2 plus h3 plus 12 upon 6 is equal to 2, and k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus 6 upon 6 is equal to equal to 1, so which implies h1 plus h2 plus h3 is equal to 12 minus 12, it becomes 0, and k1 plus k2 plus k3, here also cross multiply 6 minus 6 will become 0, and h1, h2, h3, these are non-negative integrals, since it is given that they are non-negative real numbers, and so we can say that since the sum of three non-negative real numbers is 0, which implies h1 is equal to h2 is equal to h3 must be equal to 0, and similarly k1 equal to k2 is equal to k3 must be equal to 0, since they are non-negative real numbers. And hence we can go with an option. So h1 is equal to h2 is equal to h3 is equal to k1 is equal to k2 is equal to k3 is equal to 0 is the first option.